Okay, so now that you know how to log in, you know how to reset your password, I'm going to walk you through now how to enter your results. So to enter result, you have to follow the steps like I'm following them. So the first thing you have to do is you have to look at the result again and say, I'm looking for polling station 8001. So I want to know if there are any results for polling station 8001. So I will minimize this and minimize this. So I'm looking for polling station 8001. So here, see polling center. So make sure you are on this tab that says result, right? So let me expand that. Make sure you are on the tab that says result. So you click on manage, and from manage, you click on content. From content here, you will see a tab called results content. Click on results. And from here, you will see polling center. So from here, you can enter the polling center name or code. So I'm going to enter the polling center code to check if there are any results for that polling center. So I'm going to enter 8001. And remember, I'm looking for presidential election result by polling center, right? So I'm going to then click filter here. And as you can see, there are no results. It's empty, which means no results have been entered for this polling center. So because no results have been entered for this polling center, it means I have to enter the result. So to enter the results for this polling center, I will click on this and open this in the new tab. And once this is open, the first tab here says granularity. I make sure this is on polling center result. And now here I have to type my polling center ID. I'll type 8001. If the polling center is in the system, like this it is, I will see the name of the polling center and I will select it. If I want to confirm this polling center, I can confirm it later, right? So now I have the polling center in. Next, I will scroll down here and put this to needs review. And then I will click on voter information. Here is my month. I'll type 03. My day 07 is the election day 2018. And here I will keep this as presidential if I'm entering presidential result. Candidate, I will click add existing candidate, and I want to add a candidate that already exists. So this is the candidate. I'm going to select this candidate and I'm going to enter here. That may not work. I will remove all this and then I will find that candidate. This is the candidate. So I'll select the candidate. Make sure you see 2018 and you see presidential. I select that and I click add candidate. Now the candidate has been added. Next, what is the political party of the candidate? Well, the political party of the candidate is RNIP. So I can type here RNIP or just type RENIP. I believe it's RENIP, right? This is the name of that political party. I type that. And now how many votes? This person had one vote. So I'll put 1. Percentage, leave it, don't do anything. Winner or loser, leave it, don't do anything. Result status, provisional, leave it, don't do anything. Data source, NEC, leave it, don't do anything. So after you enter all of this, next, you can click save. And now your result is in the system. Now if you go back to that page and you click filter, your result is in the system. So now that your result is in the system, I will see it and I will review it and then I will publish it finally. So I'm going to do another example. Now I want to enter another result, but this time I'm going to look for the same thing, 8001, and then I'll click filter and I find only one result, but I'm supposed to have 16 results for each polling center. So I'm going to continue. Already I know there is result for this candidate, so I'm not going to enter that candidate. So I'm going to take Charles Magai now as a candidate, and then I'm going to click here to add this candidate. Now the polling center again, I'm going to type 8001. I select, and then I go here and I type 03/07/2018, and then I click president and I click add existing candidate, and I type Charles Magai. Just do Charles like that, and then look for the Magai. See Mr. Charles Francis Magai. Select that, click add, and then here type PMDC. Select number of votes 2, and leave everything else as it is, and make sure you check needs review and then save. So now I've added this. After this, I'll go again, create content, and I can click on look for result, look election result, and I will continue 8001, and I will click here and I will put 03/07/2018, 2018, and I will click this, and this time I need Yom Kelia, so I'll type that Kande Yom Kelia, click that, and here NGC, select, and the number of votes for NGC is 249, and leave everything else the same. Check this to needs review, and everything here is fine, and then hit save. So this is all the straightforward. I am able to find the polling center, I am able to find the candidate, everything is okay. So this is the straightforward part. In the next video, I'm going to show you a case wherein you look for the polling center, you don't find it. You look for the candidate, you don't find it. And if you don't find the candidate or you don't find the polling center, you have to add the polling center or add the candidate.